Things you'll need is a jack stand, a jack, an air ratchet or just a ratchet, 13, and an impact gun to get your tires off. Guys, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to replace a shock on a Silverado. This is the old one, pretty gone. Doesn't retract once you push it down. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to assemble it. The thing that goes on is the plate. Next is this right here. Then we're going to go for the smaller one, but we'll wait until we put it in. But pretty much get that on this. You get a spacer, not really for sure if you'll need it or not. And then you go ahead and put the nut on, pretty simple. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get this side jacked up. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and loosen the top. It should be a 15. Now that that's off, go straight to the bottom and get these two. Alright, now that we got it out, we can go ahead and run the new one in. Alright, now that we're tight down here, we can go ahead and move back to the top. Now we're going to go ahead and put on the rubbers for the top. When you tighten this, make sure not to smush the rubber too much. Alright, that should be good. Remember, if you liked the video, like, subscribe, and comment for more.